Have you ever wondered what makes an AI unbeatable? OpenAI might have just found the answer with their new model, CriticGPT. This advanced AI is designed to critique other AI models, and it's already making waves in the tech community. But why would OpenAI create an AI to criticize another AI? And how does this make ChatGPT stronger than ever? Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI and discover why CriticGPT is a game changer. OpenAI's new AI, CriticGPT. OpenAI recently introduced a groundbreaking model called CriticGPT. This AI is not just another chatbot. It's designed to critique the outputs of other AI models, especially focusing on identifying errors in code generated by ChatGPT. The creation of CriticGPT addresses the growing complexity of AI systems and the challenges in evaluating their outputs accurately. Why CriticGPT was needed? As AI models like ChatGPT become more sophisticated, spotting their mistakes becomes increasingly difficult for human reviewers. ChatGPT, powered by the GPT-4 architecture, learns and improves through reinforcement learning from human feedback. HF. In this process, human trainers review ChatGPT's responses and provide feedback, which the model uses to enhance its future outputs. However, as these models improve, identifying subtle errors becomes a daunting task. This is where CriticGPT steps in. How CriticGPT works. CriticGPT, built on the GPT-4 architecture, serves as an additional review layer for ChatGPT's outputs, particularly focusing on identifying coding errors. Unlike human reviewers who can miss subtle mistakes, CriticGPT excels in spotting inaccuracies, enhancing the overall quality of AI-generated code. According to OpenAI's research, human reviewers equipped with CriticGPT outperform those without it by 60% when assessing ChatGPT's code. The training process involved manually inserting errors into code generated by ChatGPT and providing feedback on these mistakes, allowing CriticGPT to learn and refine its error detection capabilities. This innovative approach ensures that CriticGPT can effectively highlight and correct errors that might otherwise go unnoticed, making ChatGPT more accurate and reliable in its outputs. Training CriticGPT. Training CriticGPT involved a unique approach. OpenAI researchers manually inserted errors into code generated by ChatGPT and provided feedback on these mistakes. This method helped CriticGPT learn to identify and critique errors more accurately. In tests, CriticGPT's critiques were preferred over ChatGPT's in 63% of cases involving naturally occurring bugs. CriticGPT also produces fewer nitpicks and is less prone to hallucinate problems that don't exist. The synergy between AI and human reviewers. CriticGPT and human reviewers create a powerful synergy, enhancing the quality of AI-generated critiques. When human reviewers use CriticGPT, they produce more comprehensive critiques and reduce the number of nitpicks and hallucinated problems. This collaboration ensures that the data used to train AI models is more accurate and reliable. CriticGPT helps human reviewers write better critiques by catching subtle errors and providing detailed feedback, while human reviewers add their expertise to refine and validate the AI's output. This combined effort results in higher quality reviews and improved performance of AI models in real-world applications. The synergy between AI and human reviewers is a testament to the potential of collaborative approaches in advancing AI technology. Force Sampling Beam Search, FSBS. Force Sampling Beam Search, FSBS, is a method implemented in CriticGPT to balance thoroughness and accuracy in its critiques. FSBS allows CriticGPT to generate longer and more comprehensive critiques by using additional test time search against the critique reward model. This approach ensures that CriticGPT's critiques are detailed and precise, reducing the likelihood of hallucinations and nitpicks. During FSBS, CriticGPT generates multiple samples for each input and selects the best scoring critiques, enhancing its ability to identify and articulate significant issues in code. This method allows CriticGPT to be more thorough without generating imaginary issues, providing valuable feedback for human reviewers and improving the overall quality of AI-generated critiques. Broader implications of CriticGPT. CriticGPT's impact extends beyond improving AI-generated code critiques. Its capabilities highlight the potential for AI to assist in various tasks, enhancing human performance across different domains. CriticGPT has demonstrated proficiency in identifying issues in general assistant tasks, showcasing its versatility. This AI-human collaboration can achieve more accurate and comprehensive outcomes than either could alone. The success of CriticGPT underscores the importance of integrating AI into workflows to enhance human capabilities. As AI technology continues to evolve, models like CriticGPT will play a crucial role in improving the accuracy, reliability, and quality of AI-generated outputs, setting new standards for AI-human collaboration in various fields. The geopolitical impact of OpenAI's decision. OpenAI's innovations are not limited to technology alone. Recently, OpenAI decided to block access to its API in mainland China and Hong Kong. This move, driven by geopolitical tensions and the competition for AI dominance, has significant implications. Blocking access to its technology in China could slow the adoption of advanced AI models like GPT-4 in the region. However, it could also spur innovation within China as companies strive to develop their own advanced AI models. The global AI landscape. OpenAI's decision contributes to a growing trend of tech decoupling, where the US and Chinese tech ecosystems become increasingly separate. This split could lead to a more fragmented AI world, with different regions aligning with either US or Chinese technologies. Countries with strong economic ties to China might favor Chinese AI solutions, while Europe and North America might rely more on American-based AI technologies. This divide has significant implications for international cooperation, data sharing, and the development of global AI standards. Digital sovereignty and ethical standards. OpenAI's decision to block access to its API in mainland China and Hong Kong highlights the importance of digital sovereignty and ethical standards in AI development. By controlling access to its technology, OpenAI ensures that AI models are used responsibly and securely. This move addresses the growing geopolitical tensions and competition for AI dominance, emphasizing the need for ethical AI usage. Digital sovereignty allows OpenAI to navigate complex geopolitical landscapes while maintaining control over its technology. This approach sets a precedent for how companies can uphold ethical standards and security requirements, ensuring that AI technologies are developed and deployed in ways that align with ethical guidelines and protect intellectual property. The future of AI collaboration. The future of AI hinges on international collaboration, despite geopolitical challenges. OpenAI's decision to restrict access to its technology in certain regions highlights the complex landscape of AI development. However, global collaboration remains crucial for advancing AI technologies and addressing common challenges. Companies must navigate these geopolitical tensions carefully, seeking partnerships and solutions that comply with local regulations while fostering innovation. For instance, Apple's efforts to find local partners in China illustrate how firms can balance geopolitical constraints with the need for collaboration. Ultimately, the future of AI will be shaped by technological advancements and the strategies and policies that guide international cooperation, ensuring ethical and secure AI development worldwide. CriticGPT represents a significant advancement in AI technology. By helping human reviewers write more comprehensive critiques and reducing the number of hallucinated problems, CriticGPT enhances the accuracy and reliability of AI-generated outputs. OpenAI's innovative approach addresses the fundamental challenge of evaluating and improving sophisticated AI models. As the tech landscape continues to evolve, CriticGPT is poised to play a crucial role in shaping the future of AI development. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.